Every woodworker knows that measuring isn't difficult. Measuring accurately over and over again is where things get frustrating. You find your dimension, make your mark, move to the next piece, and start the process all over again. The more times you repeat a measurement, the more opportunities there are for mistakes. A ruler shifts, a mark gets misplaced, a setup has to be checked again. And those small errors can quickly turn into wasted time, wasted material, and disappointing results. The challenge isn't taking a measurement. The challenge is repeating it accurately every single time. That's where the Infinity Tools indexing stainless steel rulers come in. Built from durable stainless steel and featuring easy-to-read 1/16-inch graduations, these rulers go beyond simple measuring. Their built-in adjustable indexing stop allows you to lock in a dimension and repeat it consistently without constantly searching for the same measurement. Set it once, lock it in, and get repeatable accuracy throughout your project. For repeated measurements, simply set the indexing stop to your desired dimension. Now, every workpiece references the exact same setting. Instead of locating the measurement every time, you simply position the ruler and make your mark. Fast, simple, consistent. The indexing feature also helps during layout work. Place your pencil into the indexing notch and use the ruler to create accurate, repeatable reference marks. It's a small feature that helps improve consistency and speeds up the layout process. The ruler can also be used as a setup gauge. Using the integrated square opening and adjustable stop, you can quickly verify router bit heights, table saw blade heights, and other machine settings. One tool, multiple jobs. What makes the indexing stainless steel ruler so useful isn't just one feature. It's how those features work together. You spend less time remeasuring. You make more consistent layout marks. You simplify machine setup. And because the ruler combines several functions into one compact tool, it stays within easy reach whenever you need it. Available in both 6-inch and 12-inch lengths, it's designed to fit naturally into almost any woodworking workflow. If you're looking for a simple way to improve accuracy, increase consistency, and save time in the shop, the Infinity Tools indexing stainless steel ruler is worth a closer look. Visit infinitytools.com to learn more and see how this versatile measuring tool can become an essential part of your woodworking workflow.